and I'm one of HMS's patients. 13 years ago, my husband committed suicide, and 5 years later, I lost my son. My youngest son did the same thing. In between that, I had been full of pain all over. After being, I sent you all an email. Hurricane Hattie. I like to work. I may be considered a freak for liking to work, but that's what I always like to do, just work. Hard work. Can't do that anymore. And when you add insomnia to it, I spent about 8 years where I didn't even sleep. I was a zombie. I was worthless. I have 2 little granddaughters and a son and his wife. And without HMS, they're the only actual support and help that I've had. My doctor can only put me on so many meds because there is no cure for this, and there isn't really any medicine that really helps. But from 103, I'm now down to 88, which is partly my problem because I like to do things for people. And I can do things and deal with the pain as long as I can sleep at night. And cannabis is, I save it for nighttime in case anybody calls and has any needs. But the only way I can contribute back to helping people in the community is making therapeutic rice packs with my sewing machine, helping people when they call me, if I'm able, if it isn't one of my horrible days. And I don't know what I would do without them. Because sleep, even babies, they're completely different when they haven't had their sleep. Children, when the toddler doesn't get his nap, when a 57-year-old woman like me doesn't get her sleep, it helps. Cannabis helps the pain at night. I can cut down on the pain medication the doctor gives me, which is better for my liver, and it lets me sleep. And so I'm just here, hopefully, to speak for the other disabled people who HMS has helped, because I couldn't get any help anywhere else. Nothing helped. So I just wanted to say that. Oh, timer. Did it beep?
You got a couple more seconds.
So I guess I'm just asking you to maybe consider all the time and energy and money they put into it, and oops, be legal. They did it all so legal. I ran out of time. Thank you for listening to me.